In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Veo3 inside Gemini AI chat, all in just about 5 minutes. If you're ready to transform text into visual masterpieces seamlessly with Gemini, you're in the right place. Let's jump right into the process. To start, the first thing you need to do is open Gemini. If you already have the application or the web page up and running, you're one step ahead. If not, make sure to navigate to the Gemini AI interface where you can either log in or sign up if you haven't already created an account. Once you're in, you're ready for the next step. Now that you have Gemini open, the next move is to create a new chat. This isn't just about starting a conversation. It's about creating a space where you can leverage Gemini's AI capabilities to their fullest potential. By setting up a new chat, you'll have a fresh slate to work with, setting the stage for all the creative tasks you're about to accomplish. Once you have your new chat set up, take a look at the chat box interface and find the Tools menu. This is your gateway to a variety of functionalities that Gemini offers, and it's conveniently located for easy access. Clicking on the Tools menu will unveil a variety of options you can utilize to enhance your experience within Gemini. Now, from the list of options, you'll select Create Videos with Veo. This is the heart of our task today. Veo3 is an innovative tool that seamlessly integrates with Gemini to create captivating video content, and selecting this will queue up everything you need to get started on your video creation journey. With Veo3 activated, the next step involves a touch of creativity on your end. You'll need to describe the scene you envision, be as detailed as possible. The more thorough your description, the better Gemini can translate your vision into a visual format. Include details such as the visual style you're aiming for. Is it vibrant or muted? Realistic or abstract? Let your imagination guide you as you craft the scene with words. Once you've described your scene to your satisfaction, all that's left is to sit back and let Gemini do its thing. The AI will process your request and get to work, putting together the elements you've described to generate the video content you're looking to create. This step is all about letting the technology work its magic and trusting in the process. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've enabled Veo3 within Gemini AI chat and started creating stunning videos. Whether you're looking to enhance your presentations, share creative ideas, or simply explore new ways of storytelling, this combination of tools will do wonders for you. Happy creating, and see you in the next video.